Kriminal ang nanay ni Pepay? She escaped from prison? I can't believe this. Ano ba ni Jeffrey to?
I'm sure ngayon lang nalaman ni Jeffrey yung tungkol sa criminal mother ni Pepay. But he has no choice kundi supportan yung girlfriend niya at yung tinatagong baho ng family niya.
Yes, tita. Alam mo ba, gusto pa nga samahan ni Jeffrey si Pepay sa presinto to get the latest update dun sa criminal ng nanay.
Buti na lang pala may seminar si Jeffrey sa Davao ngayon. At least he gets some time off from Pepay.
Nasa Davao ngayon si Jeffrey? Alone, tita?
Yes. And hopefully he gets to meet other girls yung pwede siyang libangin. Anyone, kahit sino na lang, basta wag lang yung Pepay na yun.
I agree. Jeffrey deserves someone better. Yung mas maganda, mas stylish, at mas matalino.
Yeah, just like you, ate.
Alam mo, if I only had a choice, ikaw ang pipiliin ko para sa anak ko.
Great choice, tita. And I know exactly how Jeffrey can make that choice.
Pepe, ba't di mo sinasagot yung tawag ko?
Oh! Hi, Jeffrey! Nice to see you here.
Oh, hindi ko alam, invited ka pala dito sa seminar. Pero hindi ko nakita yung name mo sa guest list.
Last minute na kasi ako nag-confirm eh. I was having second thoughts kasi wala naman akong kakilala dito. Pero buti pala pumunta ako because you're here.
Okay, anyway, excuse me, I need to talk to someone.
Avoid me all you want, Jeffrey. But sooner or later, you won't be able to resist me.
Evaluation strategy. Performance management. Under the performance management, we have goals for each department to define.
Orange juice?
Sorta. You know what? May konting alcohol yan. Para naman magising yung diwa mo. Look bored out of your wits.
Alam na alam mo kung ano magpapagising sa akin.
Performance management is R. Goals for each department to be defined. Performance metrics based
Not
on
bad.
goals to be created.
Oh, hey Jeffrey! What are you doing here? Hindi pa tapos ang seminar.
Gusto ko lang mag-freshen up. Ikaw, ang lakas ng binigay mo na alak sa akin.
Well, let me help you.
Sophie, hindi mo naman kailangan gawin yan eh. Dahil hindi pa naman ako sobrang lasing para gawin mo yan. Pati ba naman dito sa Davao, kinukulit mo ako?
What do you mean? Nakukulitan ka na ba sa akin?
Kaya ba gusto mo akong malasing?
What?
Sophie, hindi ako tanga. Alcohol or no alcohol. Alam kong iniisip mo. Alam ko kung anong balak mo. Sophie, pagbibigyan naman kita eh. Alam ko naman na gusto mo ako.